Welcome to Enchanto Kids.
Wow, so many colorful candies.
Do you love eating them? But have you ever wondered how these sweet treats are made?
Candies start with sugar. Lots of sweet sugar is used to make them.
This is the main ingredient for candy. Sugar is mixed with water and heated.
It melts and turns into a sticky syrup. This is the base for making candy.
Now colors and flavors are added. Strawberry, orange, and more.
The candy becomes bright and super fun.
The hot syrup is cooled down. It becomes thick and stretchy. Now it is ready to be shaped into candy. The candy is stretched again and again. It becomes shiny and smooth. This makes the candy soft and stretchy. The candy is pulled and folded.
This adds air and makes it light. Now the texture becomes smooth and perfect.
Now the candy is shaped into long ropes. It becomes smooth and even.
These ropes will be cut into candies.
The long candy ropes are cut. They become small candy pieces.
Now the candies are taking their final shape.
Some candies are made into lollipops. They are shaped into fun designs.
These look colorful and super yummy. Now the candies get a shiny coating. Some are dipped in chocolate or syrup. They look glossy and super tasty.
The candies are cooled down. They become hard and keep their shape.
Now they are ready to be packed. The candies are sorted and arranged. They are grouped by size and color. Everything looks neat and ready.
Now the candies are wrapped. They get colorful covers and twist ends. They look bright and ready to eat.
The candies are packed into boxes. They are ready to go to shops. Soon you will get to enjoy them.
The candy boxes are loaded into trucks. They are ready to travel to shops. The sweet journey begins.
Wow, so many boxes.
The candies reach the shops. They are placed on shelves and displays.
Now they are ready for kids. A kid buys his favorite candy. He looks happy and excited. The sweet treat is finally his.
Yum! The candy tastes so sweet. It is colorful, fun, and delicious. What a happy moment! Now you know how candy is made. From sugar to sweet treats. See you next time for more fun.